Everyone wants to change the world, but no one wants to change itself. This is a famous saying quoted by Leo Tolstoy, the world's greatest novelist, belonged to Russia. Assalamu alaikum friends, I am Ruxana Izhar. Today I am going to discuss with you world's famous novel War and Peace and its writer Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy was the excellent Russian novelist. He was born in 1828 at Yasnaya, Russia. He belonged to an aristocratic family, means a very rich family. Both his parents died earlier when he was only a child, so he was brought up by his nearest relatives, uncles and aunts. Leo Tolstoy took admission at a university named at Kazan University, but he left the university during the second year without receiving degree. He returned to Yasnaya Polyana and spent some time in traveling between Moscow and St. Petersburg. Leo Tolstoy knew several languages, so he became a polyglot. A polyglot is a person who has command in reading and writing several languages. Leo Tolstoy later on started gambling, drinking, and he came into a very bad company which left him in hard debts. So he was in debts because of a bad company of friends. But soon he realized that he was living a futile life, a life which is meaningless, a life of vanity. So he once again attempted the university exams in hope that he might obtain a position in the government. But he ended up serving in army, following the footsteps of his elder brother. It was here that the turning point in Leo Tolstoy's life came, and he started writing. In 1862, Leo Tolstoy got married with Sofia Andreevna, who was 16 years younger to him. They both had 13 children, a very large family. His early married life was full of contentment. It was full of happiness and peace. However, with the passage of time, as he became radical to disown his inherited wealth and earned wealth, it means to say he already had inherited a lot of money, a good amount of money by his forefathers, and his own money also that he earned through his writing profession. But he later wanted to give it in charity, so his family was it was having objection. It is a normal thing in life. If one wants to live a very aesthetic life away from the family, give up the money, so that person becomes a completely different person, radical person. So that was the case with Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy wrote War and Peace novel in 1862. He started writing it in 1862. It was a serialized novel. It came into serials, but finally the book was published in a complete form in 1869. So this story, War and Peace, has 599 characters, a huge characters. In his late years, Tolstoy became increasingly inclined towards aesthetic life. As soon as he was becoming older, he came up with an aesthetic life, very simple life, and his health declined. His health was not good, and on 20th November 1910, he died at a railway station at a remote Russian village. So this was about his life, his biography. So let's move to the historical aspect of this novel, which we will discuss in the next video. Historical aspect will cover that what was the reason the novel War and Peace was written. What was the emergence, what was the backdrop in which this novel was written. So we will discuss the French invasion of Russia, how it came into Russia, and what were the consequences. Thank you friends.